Beneath our feet lies a hidden world of colossal chambers, ancient rivers, and surreal landscapes that rival anything on the surface. Located in Phong Nha Kebang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Doong was carved over millions of years by the Rao Thuong and Kiawai rivers along a fault line in the Trung Sun mountain range. The cave measures nearly 9 kilometers long, with sections over 200 meters high and 150 meters wide. Two massive dolmens, collapsed ceiling sections, allow sunlight to penetrate, creating a unique microclimate that sustains a diverse ecosystem of ferns, orchids, monkeys, and birds. An underground river continues to shape the cavern, while calcite formations including 80-meter stalactites and the 90-meter Great Wall of Vietnam adorn its interior. Mammoth Cave National Park lies under sandstone-capped ridges in southern Kentucky, with over 426 miles of mapped passages and potentially 600 more. The system formed in Mississippian to Pennsylvanian age limestone, originating 350 million years ago when this region was submerged by a shallow sea. Marine organism shells accumulated, compressed into limestone and shale, then uplifted and eroded by rainwater percolating through sandstone to dissolve the limestone below. The karst ecosystem supports unique cave-adapted species, while archaeological evidence shows indigenous exploration dating back 5,000 years. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981. The Waitomo Glowworm Cave, part of the Waitomo Streamway system in the King Country region of North Island, was dissolved out of Oligocene limestone over millions of years. The cave features several large chambers with well-developed stalactites and stalagmites. Its primary attraction is the endemic glowworm species Arachnocampa luminosa which produces bioluminescent threads to attract prey, creating a spectacular display visible from boat tours along the underground river. Discovered in 1887 by Maori guide Tain Tinarau and Fred Mace, the cave now attracts approximately 500,000 visitors annually. Eisriesenwelt, meaning World of the Ice Giants, is a natural limestone and ice cave located inside the Hochkogel mountain in the Teningerberg section of the Austrian Alps, about 40 kilometers south of Salzburg. Formed by the Salzach River eroding passageways into the mountain, the ice itself was created by thawing snow draining into the cave and freezing during winter. The cave extends more than 42 kilometers, though only the first kilometer, open to tourists, is covered in ice. It is considered a dynamic ice cave, with corridors connected from top to bottom allowing air to flow like a chimney. Approximately 200,000 tourists visit annually. Sistema Sac Actun, meaning White Cave System in Yucatec Maya, is an underwater cave system situated along the Caribbean coast of the Yucatan Peninsula near Tulum. Formed on a sedimentary platform of Mesozoic and Cenozoic limestone up to 3,500 meters thick, the system extends 378.56 kilometers underwater with 228 cenote entrances. The cave contains remains of mastodons and a human female that may represent the oldest evidence of human habitation in the Americas. Discovery of a connection to Sistema dos Ojos in 2018 made it the longest known underwater cave system globally. Jeita Grotto spans over 9 kilometers of interconnected karstic limestone caves in the Nahr al-Kalb River Valley, 18 kilometers north of Beirut. Shaped over millions of years by the dissolution and accumulation of limestone layers, the upper galleries house the world's longest stalactite at 8.2 meters. The lower cave channels an underground river that provides fresh drinking water to more than 1 million Lebanese. Rediscovered in 1836, the upper galleries were explored in 1958 and now feature walkways for tourist access while preserving the natural landscape. It was a finalist in the new 7 Wonders of Nature competition. Miao Room, part of the Gabihe cave system in Xiungatu National Park, Guizhou Province, is the largest known cave chamber by volume in the world. Discovered by a French expedition in 1989, the chamber measures 852 meters in length, 191 meters in width, with an area of 154,500 square meters and volume of 10.78 million cubic meters, enough to fit 4 Great Pyramids of Giza. Formed over 600 million years of marine sedimentation followed by uplift and limestone erosion, the system spreads through Carboniferous and Permian limestone and dolomite. It contains some of the world's tallest stalagmites, reaching up to 45 meters. The Škocjan caves, located in Slovenia's classical karst region, were inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1986 for their outstanding natural features. This exceptional limestone cave system comprises collapsed dolmens, approximately 6 kilometers of underground passages with a total depth exceeding 200 meters, and numerous waterfalls. The caves include a massive underground canyon that ranks as Europe's largest. The karst landscape formed through the dissolution of limestone over millennia, creating one of the world's most remarkable cave systems. The site holds exceptional geological and aesthetic importance, making it a premier destination for speleological study and tourism. Cueva de los Verdes, located on the island of Lanzarote in Spain's Canary Islands, is a lava tube formed approximately 5,000 years ago during the eruption of the Corona volcano. The tube extends 7 kilometers from the volcano to the coast, continuing underwater as the Túnel de la Atlántida for an additional 1.5 kilometers. Formed by fast-flowing lava that carved a network of tunnels with domed ceilings up to 20 by 20 meters, the cave features interior lakes and collapsed sections known as jamias. The volcanic origin, created when the sea level was 80 meters lower during the last glaciation, makes it one of the world's longest lava tubes. Wallpain Cave, also known as Wavalpain Limestone Cave, is located in the Bulu Toda Rakwana range in Sri Lanka's Ratnapura district, approximately 278 meters above sea level. The cave was formed in impure marble of the highland complex, with weathered country rocks and mineralized zones. It boasts Sri Lanka's largest limestone cave, featuring impressive stalactite and stalagmite formations. Unique features include a brackish water fountain, dinosaur age fossils, and a rare 30-meter underground waterfall. The cave is home to over 250,000 bats, including several rare endemic species. It lies within the wet zone of the country, with streams flowing from different catchment areas onto exposed limestone. The Agtelek Caves, part of the larger Agtelek and Slovak karst system, constitute the largest stalactite cave system in Europe. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1995, the caverns feature spectacular stalactite and stalagmite formations across approximately 25 kilometers of explored passages. The karst landscape formed through the dissolution of limestone over millions of years, creating a network of caverns with intricate speleothems including stalactites, stalagmites, columns, and flowerstones. The system extends across the border between Hungary and Slovakia, with both nations designating the area as National Park. The caves are renowned for their exceptional variety and beauty of calcite formations, making them one of Europe's premier cave destinations. Chauvet Cave, located in the Ardèche Gorges of southern France, contains the oldest known cave art in the world, with paintings dating back approximately 36,000 years. The limestone cave was formed through the dissolution of carbonate rock by underground water over millennia. Its exceptional preservation is due to a rockfall that sealed the entrance approximately 20,000 years ago, protecting the artwork until its rediscovery in 1994. The cave features over 1,000 drawings, including depictions of mammoths, rhinoceroses, lions, bears, and horses, species that roamed Europe during the last ice age. Documented in Werner Herzog's film Cave of Forgotten Dreams, Chauvet remains closed to the public to preserve its fragile treasures. Optimisticna Cave, located in western Ukraine near the town of Korolivka, is the longest gypsum cave system in the world. The cave was formed through the dissolution of gypsum and anhydrite deposits left by ancient seas that once covered the region. The labyrinthine system extends over 240 kilometers of explored passages, making it the longest cave in Europe. The gypsum formations create unique cave features distinct from limestone caves, including delicate crystal formations and unusual mineral deposits. The cave's extensive network continues to be explored by speleologists, with new passages still being discovered, contributing to our understanding of evaporite karst systems. Reed Flute Cave, located in Guilin, Guangxi Province, is a landmark cave named for the reeds growing at its entrance that have been used to make flutes for hundreds of years. The cave was formed through long-term water erosion and carbonate deposition in limestone bedrock, with formation beginning over 180 million years ago. The 240-meter-long cave contains a large number of stalactites, stalagmites, stone pillars, and stone flags in various shapes and colors. The cave was known during the Tang dynasty, 618 to 907 AD, and was officially opened to the public in 1962. Today, colorful lighting enhances the natural formations, creating a spectacular underground gallery. From icy cathedrals to glowing grottos, these subterranean wonders remind us that Earth's greatest mysteries often lie just beneath our feet.